Hello, my name is Tom Nobis. I'm the Vertical Market Manager for McCrometer, and today we're going to be talking about our F3000 series water transfer meter. Today I'm really excited to be able to talk to you about our F3000 series electromagnetic meter. Battery powered or DC, and instead of flanges, we've got Victaulic fittings. With the way that McCrometer builds our meters, we use a fusion bonded epoxy. This in this case is a high temperature 200 degrees F fusion bonded epoxy, and we don't have a liner and never have. Our other versions of these meters with the flanges have been out there for many years and quite successful, and they work extremely well. But since we don't have that liner, we have the flexibility to now go straight to a Victaulic fitting. How much weight and time and effort and money are you going to save by being able to just pull the meter in, set it in, hook up your Victaulic connections, and away you go? When you get to the larger sizes, up 10, 12 inches, you're adding another 150 pounds between flanges and Victaulic fittings and the bolting to make that all happen. Very excited about this. These are going to be a great market fit, and will be available from the 4-inch all the way up to 12-inch in our battery powered or DC powered versions. The larger sizes we haven't seen much need for, but we could certainly look at accommodating them as well based on request. Again, our F3000 series comes from size ranges of 4 to 12 inches, rated for 150 PSI pressure and a 1% accuracy. One of the main problems everyone has on the water transfer side is these meters are not put in and used for 6 years. It's not a permanent hard pipe installation, and they got to get them from the truck out to the field without them rolling over and knocking the converter heads off. We do have an accessory that will go along with these as well that allow you to clamp onto the body of the meter and give it stability to keep it from running around or rolling around in your truck, and may give you a spot to be able to stake it into the ground as well and keep it where you need it. I really can't contain my excitement on this. This is really going to be a game changer. You're now going to have, instead of a 2-person lift or a crane or some kind of lifting straps, one person's going to be able to move these meters around, install them effectively, and have a great measurement tool. We've done fantastic in the water transfer industry for several years now, and really going to change the game. Come and see us, have a look at us, McCrometer.com, give us a call, and come check us out. We've got some great products for you. Thank you.